आंखों ही आंखों में कर बातें
Portraying the disabled in a different but beautiful way is what sets this film apart. The potential to become a truly great film can be seen, but a tiny bit of the plot gets lost, and the director's emphasis on a pretty look may somehow compromise on the overall picture. Yet it sure is one great film.
आंखों ही आंखों में कर बातें गुपचुप 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 होय खुस 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 खुस
Starring Ranbir Kapoor as a deaf and dumb man with Chaplin and Bean-inspired performances, Ileana D'Cruz adding elegant solemnity as an upper-class woman, and Priyanka Chopra as an autistic girl.
तुम अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो। मेरी सिकाई हो चुकी है।
In Darjeeling of the early 70s lives the differently able Barfi, a prankster who never runs out of goofy ideas. When he meets Shruti, Ileana D'Cruz, the daughter of a rich Kolkata household who comes to Darjeeling on vacation, the sparks fly. The plot turns around when the Garib hero requires big cash for his father's ailment. Searching for a solution, he resorts to crime and also facilitates the entry of Priyanka Chopra as the autistic Jilmal. Jilmal, who comes from a very rich family, turns out to be the key for Barfi's money. Of course, it's not going to be that smooth. What turns out to be the suspense of rom-com.
Mr. Chatterjee. हाँ, good evening, sir. Kidnap? आपका बेटी?
Basu has always been one of a very solid storyteller, but here the germ of the story, the very chunk of plot the film is woven around is what makes it very ineffective and predictable, but yet so earnest and impressive are few parts of Barfi that it makes it to the finest films of Bollywood.
Barfi was an amazing movie. Ranbir did his best acting, and of course it was a Toifa award-winning movie, so it was damn good, and Priyanka Chopra was also very nice in the movie. It was a good movie and all.
প্রডিউসার বলি বেচু না আইটেম গান কই সোচো না।
The album kicks off with the title track Barfi with the sounds of whistles greeting the listeners. The song has Mohit Chauhan behind the mic. Another song, Main Kya Karu, a romantic track penned by Ashish Pandit. Overall, the soundtrack is a joyride without flaws. There are no mixed tapping remixes or numbers, but it's still the simplicity which makes it a winner.
उफ दिल का क्या करूं मैं 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 क्या करूं.
Still, I'd weigh in on the film side. It is so hard to find a Hindi film which does disability with so much seriousness and sensitivity. Barfi has its heart in the right place and doesn't waver from its intentions. Barfi has won several awards and nominations across award ceremonies all over India. According to a layman, Barfi is the most outstanding and finest films of Bollywood. I'd love to give this movie a 4.5 stars. With cameraman Swapnil, this is Poojan Kashmiri from MRSE.